Welcome to my channel, everybody. This is Nails of Interest. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, please check below. If you like the content of this video, check below, hit subscribe, make it gray. That doesn't cost a penny. Doesn't cost anything. It helps me out, lets me know that people like what I'm doing. If you hit the like button, it will tell YouTube to suggest videos that are similar in nature. And if you hit the bell right next to it over there, it will tell you when I upload a new video, so you won't miss one. And today is a surprise for Pumpkin's Nail Station. We've done a few collabs together. We talk on Instagram a lot. She's commenting on all my videos recently. And she did a mani, and I'm going to recreate that today in honor of her birthday. So happy birthday, Pumpkin's Nail Station. Happy birthday, Pumpkin's Nail Station. Hope it's a good one. We won't talk about ages here. Women don't like to discuss their age. So first, if you're new to gel polish, I would suggest you adding something like Pillies or underneath your gel polish. That's what I'm wearing, gel polish. Some of you know I'm a gel polish lover. I'm using the Modelones 1 Dreamy Silver. This is the Modelones 1 Dreamy Silver. It's in their Travelers collection and in their Blue Bloods collection. It's available on www.modelones1.net. I'm not a commercial here, but I sound like one at times. It's also available on your local Amazon. Just search Modelones gel polish and look for these gorgeous bottles. It's in either Travelers or Blue Blood. I just saw yesterday they have a totally new set coming out. Can't wait to give that one a try either. So I'm going to recreate her mani. She did. I'll put her Instagram tag down below. It's Pumpkin Patch 88 with some underscores. I can never get them right. I'm going to do her shemodern rainbow one. She did it a bit differently than I did, but I'm going to give it a go in my own method. She used 2 full layers of glitter polish. I just wanted a little bit more sheer. See how that goes. She also used a heart in the middle. I'm going to use a teardrop instead, from one of her other favorite stores, Born Pretty. And I'm sorry if you're new here, you may not know, but I will be talking throughout the video. I will try to cut out the loud screams. They're upset with me for filming today, but I wanted to get this done in honor of Pumpkin's birthday. So I'm going to be using these. So what she actually used was the shemodern Magic Binding Powder. You can do that as well. I'll put her video at the end so you can see how to use that. But I'm going to put it straight into the tacky layer of my gel polish. It's not a complete recreation. It's just, well, it's not a copy. It's just a recreation of hers. It's only going to be a 4-finger design. These pigments, we all just love them, love them, love them, love them, love them. So you guys get a little bit of art in another way. She gets a little birthday surprise. I get some pretty nails, win-win. And don't worry about it on your skin, it will just come right off. Pumpkin's probably sitting back and laughing because I'm not doing it right. I'm not trying to copy, I'm just trying to do something similar. These will stick right into your hard or your tacky layer. A little does go a long way. Normally I like to put it into my top coat. Why I didn't do that, I don't know. Okay, I went ahead and changed my mind. I top coated it in. It wasn't going as planned. This isn't meant to be a competition between who does better or whatever. I don't even want to know in the comments below. Just sit back and enjoy and do your own thing. Everybody has their own tastes, their own styles. I'm doing my style. And this is just meant as a happy birthday gift to Pumpkin's Nail Station. She's a new YouTube channel, which I'm rather new to, but she's even newer than me. So show her some support. I'll link her video of this manicure at the end so you can see a more bold version of this. Some of you know I'm not a really bold kind of person. Again, warning, my birdies are chattering in the background. I would suggest you take your lids off your bottles if you're using the shemodern. I mean, it doesn't spill. I mean, look, it doesn't, nothing comes out. It's not like regular pigments in the little pots that spill everywhere. I would suggest you go ahead and take them off. It makes it much easier. You can apply these so many ways, but I'm trying to do similar to hers. She did use the magic binding powder. I think I said that already. So you can leave it on dark, or you can burnish it in to make it thinner. Whichever way appeals to you. You can also go ahead and wash your fingers off if you don't like the color. At this point, if you used foil glue, you'll need to reapply the foil glue, but it's all good. And all this will come off with a good hand washing after. Red, orange, yellow, green. I'm trying to do in the order of a rainbow. It's just my little thing. If you don't want your colors to blend, just wash off your finger in between or use an applicator sponge. It all works the same. I just like the little hands-on approach. If you decide you want more, you can go back in and add more. I haven't figured out exactly what I want to do yet. Now that I'm going at it, I would suggest you go ahead and pop out your colors ahead of time onto a nice surface like the canvas. These do come with every purchase from shemodern. You get a mixing canvas. They're so handy. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. It's usually indigo and violet, but see, I could put it on darker, but that's just not me. This is a Nails of Interest mini. Green, violet. And since we have more than the number of nails, I will be redoing this one. So if you were doing it, I would say put out your colors first that you want to use. The stuff washes right off. If I didn't like it right now, I could go ahead and redo it. I picked up the wrong color first. I'll just put it on the side. I believe she doubled up her colors. She went red, orange, orange, yellow. Yeah, this is just my way. I believe this was her video for Glitter Summer Mani Fun, which at this point is now over. Thank everyone for entering. It was fun seeing all the entries, all the glittery manis. At this point, if you like it, top coat it in. If you don't, you can wash off some of the excess. Change as I go. did this one a little bit darker, just to show you that you can make it light, you can make it dark. Don't worry about what's on the skin, it'll come off. Get out one of your favorite no wipe top coats or regular top coat. Either way, they all work. Top coat the gorgeous shine in. I didn't even really need the glitter underneath. These pigments have so much glitter in them. Top coat really does help a lot. Again, always check your brush just to make sure. I do have a bottle now just for pigments, one just for glitters. I forgot one step already. Recreating somebody else's mani is not as easy as you would think. Doing your own version of their manis are not as easy as you would think. So I have some on. Just to prevent contamination. Wipe it off. You can use alcohol, it doesn't affect it. Just make sure you wipe it off afterwards. See, it's all clean. Now I'll nuke these for 30 seconds. Okay, they're cured, they're washed, they're shiny, gorgeous goodness. I mean, look at the pigments alone. They got like microscopic glitter in them. It's not just your typical pigments. That's why a lot of us love the shemodern pigments. So I forgot the step of the decal. She used a heart on her middle finger. I'm going to use a diamond. Just stick one on. Stick one on. She used red, I believe, inside. I know her favorite color is purple, and she's been dying to get the Blue Blood collection. So I'm going to do purple in the center. I should have put this on before I top coated, but hey, I had to nip this decal because this is just a sticker. It's not a foil like the shemoderns are. This is my nails naked. Sorry about they're naked. They do have a decal on. This is the regular foil. This is the water decal. They look pretty much the same. It's just application methods are different. I'm not liking this new lens, or this lens. I'm gonna have to find another way to get it to pop, to hold my light up. She did a red heart. I'm just gonna do a purple teardrop. And Pumpkin, no, this is not the question I had for you about shapes the other day. That's your Christmas gift. Something totally not nail related, like I told you. I'm just gonna get a little art brush out. I could wait and let it just level into it, but I'm not that patient. So there's my finished look, Pumpkin. You would cure and top coat that decal as well. Pumpkin, how do you like it? Hope you have a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pumpkin. Well, everybody else, thank you for joining. Thank you. Go over and go over and visit Pumpkin's channel. I'll put a link to this mani she did at the end screen. Just tap on the picture and you'll see what she actually did. It's a much more bolder look. I think you'll enjoy that as well if you haven't already seen it. We're just all doing manis. Some of them don't have YouTube channels. Some are posting on Instagram. She's going to be seeing a lot of manis today. So happy birthday, Pumpkin. Thank everybody else for watching. Hope y'all have a great day. See you here next time. Hit subscribe below if you want to see more of my videos. It doesn't cost a thing, really, it doesn't. I'm subscribed to like 1,000 YouTube channels. I haven't paid a dime. The only thing you ever pay for is something like what was called YouTube Red. If you don't want any commercials, my unmonetized channels don't have commercials anyways. So what do y'all think of my recreation? My take on Pumpkin's Manny for her Glitter Summer Manny Fun collaboration video. Again, give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. It tells YouTube that you want to see more manicures that are related topics to this. Any video is the same way. Hit subscribe. It allows you to be able to find my channel again. You hit the bell over there, that little bell icon. It will put it in your feed and tell you when I upload it. If you have notifications on, it'll pop up in your notification bar on your device. It's all 100% free. Just want to put that out there. I had some people ask if YouTube costs. It doesn't cost to subscribe. It just helps us out. Makes us feel really good that we have more subscribers. We really enjoy it. We appreciate each and every person that subscribes. You can comment down below anything you want. Just please don't spam people's comments or be rude. That's against YouTube rules. Give people advice, talk, chat, make friends, have all that good stuff. Share videos that you like with your friends. All that is pretty fun. I do it all the time. So everybody have a great day. I'm blabbing. See you here next time. Bye-bye.